Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic for English grammar is active and passive voice. To go with the topic or to get into it in a deeper way, first we will need to understand the meaning of the word active and the word passive. Active means something that is in action. कोई भी चीज जब एक्शन में है या मूवमेंट में है या is doing something to work on it, that is called active. पैसिव मीन्स जब वो एक बैक फुट पे चला जाता है या वो जब एक स्टॉप मोड में चला जाता है या रिलैक्सिंग मोड पे चला जाता है जहां वो कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, दैट इज पैसिव. सो एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस इज अ ग्रामेटिकल टर्म जिसके अंदर आप देखते हो कि कोई भी बात को कैसे बोला जा सकता है, हाउ अ थिंग कैन बी स्पोकन. The way a thing can be spoken is active and passive. Now, why they are called active and passive, what everything is there, that we are going to see. Okay? Let us start with taking two sentences and then we will see what is the difference between both. If you see, there are these two sentences here. Ram helped Hari and Hari was helped by Ram. If you look at it very closely or if you just read it, you will understand that both the sentences have the same meaning कि राम ने हरि का हेल्प किया. इसमें भी हेल्प कौन कर रहा है, राम ही कर रहा है, और ले कौन रहा है, हरि के ले रहा है. यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज इज हैपनिंग. राम इज हेल्पिंग एंड हरि इज टेकिंग द हेल्प, बट स्टिल द वे द सेंटेंस हैज बीन रिटन इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है. So the basic difference between both the sentences is that this sentence is saying that Ram has done something. The subject has done something. And this sentence is showing that something has been done to the subject. ठीक है. इसके अंदर this has done something मतलब इसने किया है काम, और इसके अंदर है कि इसके ऊपर कुछ किया गया है. Something has been done to the subject and subject has done something. Okay, the difference between both these sentences is that in this the meaning is same, the structure is a bit different, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे असर, but the main difference is that in this the subject is saying that something has been done by the subject and this subject is saying that something has been done to the subject. That is why the name is active and passive. In this sentence the subject is active क्योंकि subject जो है वो कुछ काम कर रहा है तो ये active है. ठीक है. और इसके अंदर सब्जेक्ट पे कुछ काम किया जा रहा है, मतलब सब्जेक्ट जो है वो पैसिव है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज पैसिव वॉइस एंड दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस. I hope that was clear to all of you. You understood the basic difference between active and passive. Active के अंदर जो सब्जेक्ट होएगा वो एक्टिव मोड में होएगा, और पैसिव वॉइस के अंदर the subject will be on a passive mode where it is not doing something, something has been done to that subject. And in active voice, the subject is doing something, the subject is in action, and in this it is on a laid back situation or on a backward foot. Okay, I hope that was clear to all. Now we will take some sentences to see how active is changed into passive, or what is the format of writing active and what is the format of writing passive. For example, let us take a few sentences. The peon opened the gate. When we are changing into passive, what will we do? We'll write down the gate. ठीक है. ये जो subject है, this will become the object. Okay. sorry, the object will become subject was opened by the peon. Okay, so what happens is that the object becomes the subject and the subject goes into the place of the object. This is one difference. Second, this is a compulsory word. Okay, by will come in almost every sentence. Then यहाँ पे क्या है, open, और यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, was open. ये भी past tense है और ये भी past tense है. ठीक है, this is also simple past क्योंकि verb का second form है, and this is also simple past because this also has verbs second form. So there is no basic difference in that. But if you take some other sentence, if we take for example another sentence, let's take this sentence only. The peon is opening the gate. So when we turn it into passive with the subject object thing, by thing, another thing which we have to change is that the gate is being opened by the peon. So which tense is this? This is present continuous tense. Okay, and this is present perfect continuous tense. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, tense में भी there is a change. Okay, there has been a change done in the tense also. So there are these basic rules while you're changing into an active to passive, that there are some changes in the tenses also. Okay, one tense will change into the other tense. Like if it is simple present tense, it will be into present perfect tense. Present continuous tense will change into present perfect continuous tense. Okay, these some basic changes are there that we are going to understand, that which tense changes into which tense. Okay, now I have taken the main verb as catch and then I have written its forms which will be changed into this. मतलब ये जो है ये आपके active sentence के अंदर आएंगे and these will come into the passive sentences. ठीक है, in active sentences this section will come and in passive sentences these section will come. Okay, like if the sentence has catch or catches, it will become is, am, are, caught. ठीक है, is, am, are, caught. Then if it is caught, it will become was or were caught. Is, am, are catching, is, am, are being caught. ठीक है, was, were caught, was, were being caught. Okay, and then if we have has, have caught, it will become has, have been caught. Okay, तो ये जो active के sentences है ये passive में इस तरीके से change होंगे. For example, let us take examples of sentences. We'll be taking examples today only of 2 sentences and the rest we'll take in the next coming classes. Catch, somebody gave this example, I'm taking this example only as a repeat. Cats catch mice. Okay, so when we'll change it, what will happen first is that this mice will come in the place of the subject, mice, and cats will go in the place of object. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे ही subject will become object, it will take another word by. ठीक है, so cats catch mice and mice will come to the subject's place, cats will go to the object's place. As soon as it will go to the object's place, it will take a verb that is by. Then catch or catches will change into is, am, are, caught. Now because this is mice, that is plural, so what will we take? Are, and catch will change into mice are caught by cats. ठीक है, this was the first example. I hope it was clear to all. Then when we take caught, for example, let us take the example. The constable caught the thief. पुलिस ने जो है वो चोर को पकड़ लिया. Now when we have to change it into passive, what will we do? The first thing is that the subject will go in the place of the object, the constable. Because the subject has become the object, we'll also have to put another word, and that is by. This will come here. The thief. And now we have caught. तो caught किस में change हो रहा है? Was, were, caught में. Was और were किस में depend करेगा? On the subject. Because the subject is singular, we are going to take was, and then caught will come as caught only. The thief was caught by the constable. Okay. This is how you change. The basic rule of changing active into passive is this only. Subject will go into the place of the object. Object will come into the place of subject. जैसे ही subject object की जगह पे जाएगा, it will take one word by. These are some ways how the verb changes into other, and then the rest will go on like that. I hope it was clear till here. The rest things will take in the coming classes. Thank you so much.